From tall giraffes to giant elephants, let's explore the amazing world of tall animals. We will learn where they live, what they eat, and what makes them special. Giraffe. Who are you? I am a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals on earth. Where do you live? We live only in Africa. We like grasslands and forests. You have really long legs. Yes, we can run really fast. And we look for food all day long. Your neck is long too. We look for food in very tall trees. We can reach food with our long necks. Elephant. Who are you? I am an American elephant. We are the biggest land mammals on earth. You live in Africa, right? Yes, we live in grasslands and rainforests. How do you stay cool? We spray our backs with water. Then we throw dust on the water. Your trunk is amazing. Yes, we breathe and drink with our trunks. Moose. Who are you? I am a moose. Moose are the biggest kind of deer. Where do you live? Moose live in cold parts of the world. We like forests. Can you swim? Yes, we are great swimmers. We can also run fast. It's cold here. Moose love the cold. Our fur keeps us warm. Our hooves help us walk in snow. Bison. Who are you? I am an American bison. We are very big land mammals. Where do you live? American bison live in North America. We like grasslands. You look really heavy. Yes, but we can run fast. We can also swim and jump high. What do you eat? American bison eats lots and lots of grass. We also like leaves and weeds. Camel. Who are you? I am a camel. We are mammals with humps on our backs. Where do you live? Camels live mostly in Asia. We live in the Rocky Desert. Do you live alone? Oh no! We live in big groups. What do you eat? Camels eat mostly desert plant. We even eat thorns. Penguin. Who are you? I am an emperor penguin. We are the tallest and heaviest penguins in the world. Where do you live? Emperor penguins live mostly in Antarctica. We live on the cold ice. We stay near water. Can you swim? Yes, our bodies are adapted for swimming and diving into the water. What do you eat? Penguins eat krill, squid, and fishes. Smaller species also dine on krill. Water buffalo. Who are you? I am a water buffalo. We have long faces and bigger limbs than swamp buffaloes. Where do you live? Water buffalo live mostly in Asia, South America, Europe, North Africa, and Australia. You look really heavy. Yes, we are heavy-bodied and stocky built with a short body and large belly. What do you eat? We eat grass and herbs, but water buffalo also eat aquatic plants. Ostrich. Who are you? I am an ostrich. We are the heaviest and largest living birds in the world. Where do you live? We live in Africa. found in savanna and desert regions of Africa. Do you lay 100 eggs? Yes, female ostriches can lay 40 to 130 eggs per year. What do you eat? We eat leafy greens, flowering plants, roots, grasses, and succulent. We also feed fruit. Brown bear. Who are you? I am a brown bear. We have large body with stocky legs and short tails. Where do you live? We live in America, Europe, and Asia, found in the forests and mountains. What is special about you? Our possess an amazing sense of smell. Our hearing ability is excellent. What do you eat? We are omnivorous, eating a mixed diet of plants, berries, fish, and small mammals. Polar bear. Who are you? I am polar bear. We are the largest extant species of bear and land carnivore. Where do you live? We live in sea ice of Arctic, Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, and Norway. What is special about you? We have a very good sense of smell and have a large paws, specially adapted for swimming. What do you eat? We eat ringed seals, but we also eat bearded seals, harp seals, hooded and harbor seals. Horse. Who are you? I am horse. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hooved mammal. Can you eat grass? We love to eat grass. It's our natural food and great for our digestive system. Are horses loyal? Yes, horses are man's most loyal animal. Rhino. Who are you? We are a group of large herbivores. Rhinos are some of the largest land mammals. Where do you live? Rhino live in Africa. Largest population live in South Africa, Kenya and Zimbabwe. Is rhino special? Yes, rhino horns are used for traditional medicine. What do you eat? We eat plants. White rhino graze on grass, while black rhinos eat succulent plants. Zebra. Who are you? I am a zebra. We are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. Where do you live? We native of East and Southern Africa. We usually live in grasslands and savanna woodlands. What is special about you? We communicate with various vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. What do you eat? Zebras are herbivorous that primarily eat grass, but they also eat leaves, shrubs, and small trees. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.